Okay, guys, as promised, okay, it's your boy Marlon. I'm back, guys. As I said, as promised, when we talk a little teeny bit about mindset, okay, a little teeny bit about mindset and actually being able to activate the best version of yourself subconsciously, right, guys? Even whether you guys realize it or not, right? So, in that mindset, you know what my 4 rules to the mindset, a portion of this particular funnel is, guys. It's about having fun, right? 4 rules. Number 1, you got to have fun, okay? That's number 1. That's the number 1 rule, right? Number 2, you got to take the business serious, okay? Take your business serious. Number 3, do not overcomplicate what you see here and you're learning here. I'm going to say that again. Do not overcomplicate what you actually have instant access to and what you're going to be able to do. Don't overcomplicate what you're reading, what you're hearing, and what you're learning. Okay? And number 4, guys, number 4 rule is take action. Okay? If you can have fun, if you can take your business serious, if you don't overcomplicate the process, right, and commit to it by taking action, then you can have success with automated marketing systems and sales funnels. Okay? Earlier in the video above, I talked about the perfect marriage being a high converting offer, right? With this tied into a highly responsive, targeted leads and traffic, and how they work in conjunction with each other to create an automated marketing, or should I say, an automated sales funnel, a sales system, and a sales funnel. Okay, so that's what you're looking at on this particular page, guys. You're looking at a diagram that talks about the actual anatomy of it. Don't try to overcomplicate and understand what's going on. Just understand the fact that once you've tapped into the system, it will be doing just what you see in this diagram for you behind the scenes. Okay, so you, again, if you guys haven't seen the presentation yet, you're going to get an opportunity to actually tap into it by clicking the continue button below. If I can get my mouse to work right, guys, I'm going to move to another screen because I want to show you guys one other very important thing. Now, we talked about those components. We talked about the perfect marriage. I talked about the 4 rules, okay? So, and I talked about most importantly, more importantly than anything, not overcomplicating and taking action, should I say. Those are the 2 most important things. And you got to have fun. Okay, guys, what happens when we start the process, right? It's very simple. You're talking about lead flow, okay? Which creates cash flow, okay? But you got to let go to make it happen. Remember the 4th rule, guys? Taking action, okay? Now, what's going to happen, let me scroll down just a little. What's going to happen, guys, is you're going to get the exact lead sources that we use, right? And the swipes. And if you're worried about, or you're curious about what a swipe is, it's simply an email that's written up that we're actually going to have set up that follow up with your prospects on complete automation. So you don't have to worry about writing emails or anything like that when the system is all in place. These the lead sources that you actually going to have access to are what you be. That's what's going to get you in front of the 200,000 plus brand new people coming online every single day looking for ways to make money from home. Now, the amount of people you get to position yourself in front of this particular opportunity is totally up to you, right? But I can tell you that when you got that perfect marriage going on and you have targeted, highly responsive leads, and now we're talking about people who are diligently looking for ways to make money from home, who haven't been bombarded, right? And just by the countless people that might have had that happen to them before. We're talking about people, fresh, new leads, new people, seriously looking for ways to make money online. When you let go, guys, you can actually set your business off in 3 simple steps. And that's it in a nutshell, okay? So I wanted to make sure I talked a little bit about that because your mindset, right, is the only thing now, this is your only limitation in terms of where you can go and what you can do. The ceiling, there is no ceiling. The potential is limitless, right? So you're going to have all the training and everything that you need to actually go out and start doing that. And again, let me say this before I close out on this video. I'm diligently moving toward the 7-hour work week, okay? Even as we speak, even as you navigate through this particular site that I put together, I'm moving toward a serious 7-day work week. And what I mean by that, and what do I mean by that? Guys, when you have automated marketing systems and sales funnels set up for you, right, your real your only real requirement is to drive traffic into your actual sales system, into your actual funnel. Okay, it takes 10-15 minutes, if that much, guys, to run traffic into your automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And so when we talk about a 7-hour work week, that's over the top. Okay, if you can sit down at your computer, if you can tap into a traffic source that you know is highly targeted and responsive, and you can drive traffic to your marketing system, then you can make money, and it doesn't take long to do it. Thus, the 7-hour work week. That's where we're going, guys. That's exactly what this is all about. I'm going to build a complete business around just the 7-hour work week, but I'm moving in that direction. So that's what's happening. So get excited, guys. Remember, have fun, right? Take your business serious, okay? Don't overcomplicate what's going on, and at the same time, don't underestimate the actual awesome power of automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And in order to witness it, guys, you got to take action. Rule number 4. If you guys are ready to get hot, then let's get moving, guys. Let's go get it together, right? Right below this video, you'll find an actual link that you can click to continue. Take you over to the presentation. You guys got any questions? All my contact information will be right underneath, or should I say at the very bottom of this website. Oh, let me say this before I go. Some real cool, super bonuses I'm creating my own self, guys, that you guys are going to absolutely love. Now, doesn't matter. They don't have it ready yet. I have it ready, but when I'm not doing that yet. But when I do, you guys are on my list, so you guys will actually be able to get it. Okay, you're gonna want that. So watch your email, right? From marlon@gmail.com. Any questions? You find my information, all the contact information below in this video, and watch your emails for those 2 super special bonuses I'm gonna give you. This is gonna really help you guys be able to grow and scale even faster. We're going to be talking about all that stuff. Anyway, guys, that's my spiel. Again, I'm super pumped and super excited. I'm looking forward to welcoming you guys to the team, okay? Let me get out of here, guys. Again, keep your eyes on your emails. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O'Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.